Today we're gonna try to make a propulsor of Coke, of Diet Coke with mentos, and try to move a car. Basically, we like this idea because we thought it was cool, but actually it's pretty hard. So basically this is based on the chemical reaction between the mentos and the Coke, generating a lot of gas and making it go out from the bottle. And we will analyze the results that we got on tracker and on our own.
We consider that this experiment is about rectilinear motion because it is always located in the x-axis and it is not located on the y-axis. What we're trying to do is to calculate the velocity, acceleration, time and distance. So the car didn't move as we expected because we needed a higher force and the truck was heavier than we thought.
Eso es lo que voy a hacer. A ver, pero según yo con 3 largas chido, güey. Pues para que...
6.5 hours later.
¡Mi carrito!
Ya.
What is your opinion, my man?
Well, I think this is getting very complicated. I don't know what to do.
Okay, now we're going with Pollo. Pollo, what do you think?
Well, our second attempt didn't go well, but maybe on our third attempt will go better.
Okay, now my man.
Well, as you can see, we have tried our hypotheses with the Cokes and our car, and as a result, we got a failure, but we will try again and try to correct our errors.
We can do this, Sam. We can do this. So our main hypothesis was that the car wouldn't travel a long distance because we thought that the force wasn't like much because there will be a acceleration, and as we thought in our hypothesis, the car didn't travel anything because it got fucked up, and we pushed it so that we can track something like using tracker and helping more to the project to do more things, and that we will see what happens in there in a moment.
So I'm going to talk about friction. Basically, friction is a force between two surfaces, and we think this is going to be important to our project because we need to find a surface that doesn't affect the movement of the car, and we need to find the biggest wheels for the car so it can go faster and it has the biggest traction.
Hello, I'm going to talk about the chemical reaction. Also, I want to state that this is not a physical reaction, but a chemical reaction. Also, the chemical reaction is nucleation, where it consists that the gas is attracted to the mentos, causing a tremendous pressure in the bottle, so it will explode and impulse the car. As already said, this is
We
nucleation.
also want to explain and tell you that as with every experiment and as with every idea, we had to follow some steps and some previous planning. So our whole process had some phases. First, we got the idea. This was thanks to you. We chose this idea because we thought that it would be easy to do, but it turns out that it wasn't. It was more complicated, and we thought it needed even more planning. Then we had to find all the theory and all the mathematical stuff that was happening in our experiment, and after that we just needed to test it, and that was where we saw our hypothesis, and we tried to see if everything that we thought would happen happened, and it turned out it was complicated and not much of the things that we thought happened. Here we are with another trooper of the battle of the bastards of the Coke. The mentos.
The long night.
A long night. What do you think of our experiment at the end?
In conclusion, I think it was a very hard experiment. We didn't know how to make it work, but I think with Emilio's hand pushing it, I think we can make something in tracker that it can work.
Winter's coming.
But winter is coming. We know what's coming with it. We can't face it alone.
Yes!
Relax, David. Open your eyes.